Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I installed and styled these Tiana pre-looped passion twists that I got from Toyotress. I'll put all their information in my description bar down below. They were gracious enough to send me out this pack of pre-loop passion twists to review for their company. So if you are interested to see how I installed and styled these beautiful passion twists, well, keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel, give this video a big thumbs up, and to comment down in the comment section bar down below. So with no further ado, let's jump right into this video. So the hair that I'm going to be using today is the Tiana Passion Twist 100% handmade, and I got it in the color 1B. It also came with some hair decors and some rubber bands and a crochet hook. So inside of the bag I got 8 packs, and each pack came with 12 pre-looped crochet passion twist. So I'm going to be prepping my hair to start this passion twist. I'm going to be doing the rubber band method in individual braids. So I'm just sectioning out my hair into 2 sections. So now I'm going to be taking my Docs leave-in hair treatment and scalp conditioner to moisten my hair before I apply the rubber bands to my hair. So I'm going to be using my black Australian beeswax to twist my hair in my individual braids. So that is what I'm working on right now. So after I finish the sections to the back, I'm working my way up to the front. I'm just twisting that with the black Australian beeswax. I'm taking my rubber band and then I'm just twisting the hair. So I finished half of the hair already, so I'm going to be showing you how I do the passion twist using the crochet method. So all you have to do is take your latch hook, you push it through the rubber band and your hair, and then you just pull it through. You close the latch hook and then you pull through the crochet passion twist along with your hair. And what I'm going to be doing is I'm twisting it backward forward, because if you twist it forward backward then the twist would unravel. So that is what I'm doing right now. So I'm pulling the hair through using the latch hook, and then I am going to then pull through my hair and the crocheted passion twists, and I'm twisting it backward forward to prevent the twist from unraveling. So that is what I'm working on. So you would see me doing that again for you. I'm pulling the latch hook through, and then I'm going to pull my hair and the crochet passion twist through, and then I'm going to be twisting it backward forward as I did before. So that is all you have to do when you're applying these crochet passion twists. So I'm twisting it all the way down, and to secure the twist and my hair in place, I'm just going to twist that around with my hands a few times. So now my hair is finished. I'm just making sure my hair is twisted into the passion twist neatly. So that's about it. So on to the styling part, the most excited part. I'm using these design decors from the hair brand kits, and these are really nice. So I purchased these at Third World Hair in Kingston, St. Vincent. They sell clothing, hair accessories, any sort of accessories that you need, they have it. So it's your preference if you don't want to style your passion twist with any hair decors, but this is just my preference. I wanted to spice up the passion twist a bit, so I'm using these fashion strings. I love these gold fashion strings, like it's so bomb. So I'm going in with my Gorila Snot gel. If you know me, you know me, like this is my holy grail when it comes to laying my edges and having that edges laid for the entire day. So after I finish laying my edges, I'm just gonna tie down my hair for a bit, and that's it for the install and styling process. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and until next time, God bless.
I'm loving your way, yeah. You're teasing me now, I'm wanting more. I think I'm drunk in love. If I pass out, will you wake me with more love?